Hi, have you ever thought about ants in our laboratory hidden in far from the visitor itinerary? And the value of that hands that work on your artworks to restore them? Last week I was in a meeting in a regional meeting of a cluster of organization and company around the cultural sector, and that meeting was in Fine Arts Academy. And after the meeting, professors of that academy bring us to visit the school. So they explain how the courses and let us to enter in the laboratory where students were working over the paper, wood, or painting to restore them. It was very, very interesting. I think touching, in the sense of be so near and listen the professor that explained to us the technique to restore those arts was emotional. And so I was thinking about how much value that work could be could have for you, and could be how can you present them to your visitor to live the same experience that I had. Uh, I know in the research of my newsletter of this week, I retrieved some values, some statistics about how this thing was already done by some important institution like museum, Smithsonian, MAO Museum of Turin. They are doing the same. They are trying to let the visitors see this work of restoration and maybe interact with them in some cases. So I was thinking that maybe it's not necessary so big expensive for you, big budgets for your museum to put your art recover persons there inside the itinerary, but maybe you can just doing if it's possible, otherwise let the visitor go as a add-on of the tickets, so something that the visitor could add on his or her experience, and go directly in your laboratory. It depends from the kind of artwork that you have in your archive and that you are restoring, but I think that these possibilities to let your visitor enter in contact with the people that work on your laboratory to restore stuff, it's a very high value for you, because that experience is unique. The visitor that enter in that place with the operator that work in the over the art is something unique that every time could be different. And I think it's very interesting even let people interact with the curator. And if it's possible, obviously, maybe it's important even for the person that is restoring the artwork to understand better what people look about. Maybe that person could be his or her future committee. I don't know, it depends, but I think that this interaction is important for both, but surely for your visitor could be something unique and something that let that visit memorable. I truly think this, I truly believe in this. Let me know about your experience, or if you already thought about this. Thank you, and catch you next time. Bye.